to share the video. Look at this. This. Okay, I select share. The QuickShare. Then you make sure you connect the same Wi-Fi. So I need to change the Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll connect the same Wi-Fi and okay, we need to download some software like this. Android Beta Together QuickShare app. You need to download this software as we install. Yes. Sign in and using your Google account. Login. Okay, I'm successful. So we can receive. Contact your device. You can select who can transfer file to you. So you select device, only you log in this account. It can send file for you. So I select my device and I go back. Select down and you can see this account isn't the correct account. I need to change my account. So you can here go to the setting, select the Google and click this arrow, change your account. Then we go back to our video and select the video, transfer, select share, QuickShare. You can see my computer in here, so select it will transfer the file from my device to our computer. And when you see your computer, it will like this.